Dear student, today we are in our chemical properties of halogen group. Oxidation status and trend in chemical reactivity. All the halogens is chlorine, bromine, iodine exhibit -1 oxidation state because halogen has 7 electrons in outermost orbit. To complete its octet, needed electron is only 1. So oxidation state of the halogen will be -1, where chlorine, bromine, iodine exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7. Oxidation state is also as explained below. Now you can see halogen atom in ground state other than fluorine. Fluorine સિવાય fluorine atomic number 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 2d is absent. DOH ની સેકન્ડ ઓર્બિટમાં એટલે મેં કીધું છે other than fluorine. In the fluorine there are 7 electrons, 2s and 2p. 2d is not present, but fluorine સિવાયના chlorine, bromine, iodine માં NS2, NP5 and N is vacant. One unpaired electron account for -1 or +1 oxidation state. Yes, sir. In the chlorine there is one unpaired electron, so chlorine combines with another chlorine by participating one electron. If chlorine is combined with fluorine, so oxidation state +1. एक गेन करશે તો if combines with bromine, so -1. એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી હશે એટલે ટૂંકમાં ગ્રાઉન્ડ સ્ટેટમાં એક્સાઇટેડ ના હોય ત્યારે it forms one bond. so કાં તો એક લૂઝ કરશે તો +1, કાં ગેઇન કરશે તો -1 oxidation state in first excited stage. The one electron from the 2p and transits in D. So there are 3 unpaired electrons account for +3 oxidation state. In this case, chlorine forms 3 covalent bond. So it will be +3. If chlorine combines with bromine, so here, -3, oxidation state +3. In second excited stage, 1 and 2 electron moves here. આ બે paired electron change થશે. So total number of unpaired electrons are 5. Account for +5 oxidation state. And third excited stage, there is mistake. 1, 2 and 3 electrons. Here is only 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are unpaired electrons. So it exhibits +7 oxidation state also. Like this. Higher oxidation state of chlorine, bromine and iodine are raised mainly when the halogens are in combination with small and highly electronegative fluorine or oxygen. Electronegativity order is like this. So when chlorine, bromine, iodine combines with oxygen or fluorine, it should be plus. લાંબે સ્મોલ છે and electronegativity high છે. The chlorine, bromine, iodine when combines with fluorine or oxygen, So oxidation state will be positive, +1, +3, +5 and +7. In interhalogen oxide and oxyacid, interhalogen, the halogen combines with another halogen, ClF4, ClF5, ClF3, ClF7 will be +7. In ClF will be +1. These are interhalogen. Oxide and oxoacids. Oxoacid HClO, HClO2, HClO3. Here oxidation number is positive. HClO4, sorry. These are oxoacid. The oxidation state +4, +6 occur in the oxide and oxoacids of chlorine and bromine, where chlorine and bromine +4 and +6 oxidation state પણ આપે છે. Suppose we are taking HClO4, there is a +7, in HClO3 +5, but chlorine and bromine gives oxidation state +4 and +6 also. When we take ClO2, so +4, BrO2, so +4, ClO3, BrO3, it will be +6. The fluorine atom has no d orbital in valence shell and therefore cannot expand its octet. Being the most electronegativity, it exhibits only -1 oxidation state. એટલે ફ્લોરિન છે એની ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી આખા પેરિયોડિક ટેબલમાં હાઈએસ્ટ છે. So it possesses only -1 oxidation state. All the halogens are highly reactive. The group number 17 ના બધા elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine due to outermost electronic configuration highly reactive, needed 1 electron to complete its octet. And these halogens are react with metals, non-metals to form halide. This halogen combines with metal and non-metal and gives a halide. The reactivity of halogen decreases down the group. Yes, from fluorine to iodine when we move, so reactivity decreases by here 7 electron in second orbit, here in third, fourth and fifth orbit. So attraction toward outermost orbit decreases. So reactivity decreases down the group. The ready acceptance of an electron is the reason for the strong oxidizing nature of the halogens. હેલોજનમાં આઉટરમોસ્ટ 7 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે એટલે એના લૂઝિંગ નેચર કરતાં ગેઇનિંગ નેચર આઈ છે. It self experiences reduction, so which is a great strong oxidizing agent. F2 is the strongest oxidizing halogen and oxidize other halide ion in the solution or even in the solid phase. Fluorine છે in electronegativity highest, so it easily oxidize another chloride, bromide or iodide. F2 when we pass in the solution of NaCl, so it convert into fluoride ion. The પોતાનું reduction 0 to -1, but chloride no oxidation થાય like this. 2 fluoride minus and X2 occurs. When we pass fluorine in the solution of bromide, so it converts into F minus and gives Br2. F2 pass in the solution of iodide gives 2I minus and I2 like this. ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી ફ્લોરિનની I છે એટલે ક્લોરિન બ્રોમિન આયોડિનનો આનું રિડક્શન થાય, આ ત્રણેયનું ઓક્સિડેશન થાય. -1 into 0 -1 into 0 ઓક્સિડેશન. હવે ક્લોરિન લઈએ તો ક્લોરિન બ્રોમિન અને આયોડિનનું ઓક્સિડેશન કરશે. ક્લોરિન plus 2x minus gives 2Cl minus plus X2. Here chlorine છે એલાઇડનો એટલે કે બ્રોમાઇડ લે 2Br minus gives 2Cl minus plus Br2. Then 2I minus gives 2Cl minus plus I2. Bromine એકનું જ ઓક્સિડેશન કરશે. Bromine only oxidize iodide only convert into 2Br minus and liberate I2 gas, I2 solid. The decreasing oxidation ability of the halogen in aqueous solution down the group is evident from their standard electrode potential. Yes, ability in aqueous solution down the group and a standard reduction potential પર થી ખબર પડશે, which are dependent on the parameter indicates below. Actually reduction potential depends on the following factor. First of all, molecule of halogen. When we divide, so here bond breaks up, bond dissociation. 1 means bond dissociation enthalpy and convert into gaseous atom. Now this gaseous atom when gains electron, which is called electron gain enthalpy, and this negative ion comes contact with water and release it is called hydration enthalpy. The third factor હોય છે એટલે કે bond dissociation enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy and hydration enthalpy. The third factor ઉપર reduction potential depending હોય છે. The relative oxidizing power of halogen can further be illustrated by reaction with water. Fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen, where chlorine, bromine react with water to form corresponding hydrohalic and hypohalous acid. Fluorine છે એ વોટરમાં ઓક્સિજનનો ઓક્સિડેશન કરી નાખે છે and O2 gas liberate કરશે. પણ ક્લોરીન બ્રોમિન આયોડિન એની ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી ઓક્સિજન કરતા લેસ છે એટલે ઓનલી વોટર સાથે રિએક્ટ કરી હેલોજન એસિડ કે હાઇપોહેલસ એસિડ આપશે. The reaction of iodine with water is non-spontaneous. Reaction of iodine with water not spontaneous. એની મેળે નહીં થાય itself. In fact, I minus can be oxidized by oxygen in acidic medium. Just the reverse of the reaction observed with the fluorine. The fluorine માં જે reaction થાય જેનાથી ઊંધું reaction જોવા મળે. 2 mole of fluorine gas when react with 2 mole of water. So here 4H plus ion, 4F minus ion means hydrochloric acid, and reduction of oxygen gives O2 gas, where another halogens like chlorine and bromine it react with water gives HX plus HOX. Suppose chlorine is reacting water, so hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. If we take bromine, so it gives hydrobromic acid and hypobromous acid like this, where iodide ion in acidic medium reduces oxygen and gives iodine and 2 mole of water. This reaction is inverse of fluorine. Now, anomalous behavior of fluorine. In the group number 17, halogen is something different than another elements of the same group. The fluorine is something different, which is called the anomalous behavior. Like other element of P block present in second period, the fluorine is coming in second period. The દરેક સેકન્ડ પીરિયડનો એલિમેન્ટ તે જ ગ્રુપના એલિમેન્ટ કરતા something different હોય છે. So fluorine is anomalous in many properties. For example, ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy of fluorine, electronegativity and electron potential are all higher. Ionization enthalpy, electronegativity for and electrode potential means reduction potential is very high. Higher for fluorine than expected from the trend set by other halogens. બીજા બધા halogen કરતા આની વેલ્યુ ખૂબ જ વધારે છે. Also ionic and covalent radius, even also in ionic radius and covalent radius is very small. Melting point, boiling point, enthalpy of bond dissociation and electron gain enthalpy are quite lower than expected. જ્યારે એની ionic radius છે, then covalent radius છે, melting point છે, boiling point છે, bond dissociation enthalpy છે, electron gain enthalpy છે, એ હોવું જોઈએ એના કરતા less છે. The anomalous behavior of fluorine is due to small size. How anomalous behavior no reason any ekdam small size છે, highest electronegativity છે for low bond dissociation enthalpy, અને fluorine ના 6 lone pair electrons છે, ને આ એટલા ક્લોઝ છે કે lone pair ના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વચ્ચે repulsion maximum છે, એટલે bond dissociation enthalpy less છે. And non-availability of d orbital by 2s to 2p5 છે. d તો હોય નહીં. The absence of non-availability of d orbital in valence cell. Valence cell એટલે outermost cell માં d orbital નથી. Most of the reaction of fluorine are exothermic. Fluorine ના મોટા ભાગના reaction exothermic હોય છે. Means when fluorine react with any metal or non-metal, it releases heat. So enthalpy change is negative. So which is called exothermic. Small and strong bond formed by it with other elements. પોતે small છે, બીજા કોઈ એલિમેન્ટ સાથે strongly combined થાય, bond strong હોય, release heat high હોય છે. It forms only one oxo acid. Fluorine forms only one oxo acid, which is hypofluorous acid, where other halogens form number of oxo acid. HOF એક જ આપે, where HClO અને HFO પણ લખે. HClO, HClO2, HClO3 and HClO4. This type of oxo acid occurs. It forms only one oxo acid, while other halogens form a number of oxo acid. Hydrogen fluoride is liquid. HF is liquid. Boiling point is 293 Kelvin, means 20 degrees Celsius. Due to strong hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bond is formed in HF due to small size and high electronegativity. In the HF, there is a intermolecular hydrogen bond. Due to small size and high electronegativity of the fluorine atom. High electronegativity of fluorine. HF is a liquid where HCl, HBr and HI are gases. Other hydrogen halide which have higher size and less electronegativity and they are gases. So there is no any kind of hydrogen bond, only in HF. Reactivity toward hydrogen. They all react with hydrogen to give hydrogen halide. All the hydrogen react with halogen react with hydrogen, give hydrogen halide. But affinity for hydrogen decrease from fluorine to iodine. Attraction toward hydrogen of the fluorine is highest, then chlorine, bromine and iodine, which is the less. Hydrogen halide dissolve in water to form hydrohalic acid. Hydrogen halide dissolve in water to give, yes, then we dissolve HF into water. It gives HOF, hypofluorous acid. When HCl dissolves into water, gives hypochlorous acid, HClO. The strength of this acid varies in order. So actually, which acid is more strong? H and F na bond strong છે. In HCl, in HBr, HR, bond length increases. So bond dissociation enthalpy less. So HF करता HCl, then HBr and HI. Releasing nature of H plus is high in HI. So acidity order out of 4 halogen halide, HI is more acidic, but stability order is less, inverse. Stability of this halide decrease down the group due to decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy in the order. HF નો bond strong છે, એટલે highly stable છે. આ weak, આનાથી weak, એટલે આ acidity order છે, આ stability. તો stability HF ની આઈ છે અને HI ની સાવ less છે, એટલે તો maximum H plus it releases. So HF, HCl, HBr, HI, out of 4, which one is more stable? HF is maximum stable. In the table, hydrogen halide melting point of HF 190, then HCl 159, then 185. In HI equal to Kelvin. Yes, HF ની high reason actually molecular mass increase થાય તો melting point and boiling point increase 1000, but HF ના કેસમાં its reason hydrogen bonding less. પછી HI here 293 less increase and increases the bond length in picometer 91.7 distance between hydrogen and fluorine. In HCl 127.4, in HBr 141.4, in HI 160.9. Now bond dissociation enthalpy in kilojoule per mole. In HF 574, એટલે highly stable છે. then HCl, then HBr, and last HI. pKa value means acidic nature 3.2, pKa value 7, 9.5, then 10. Whenever pKa value is more, means more means less acidic, એટલે HF less acidic, માઇનસ છે એટલે વેલ્યુ લો કહેવાય. તો pK ની લોએસ્ટ વેલ્યુ -10 means which is highest acidic. Now reactivity toward oxygen. Halogen combines with oxygen and gives oxide. Halogen form many oxide with oxygen, but most of them are unstable. Halogen combines with oxygen and gives many oxide, but most of the oxide are unstable. Fluorine forms two oxide, OF2, oxygen difluoride, and oxygen monofluoride. Here electronegativity of fluorine high. In this case, oxidation number is +2 of oxygen. ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી ઓક્સિજન કરતા ફ્લોરિનની હાઈ છે. ઓક્સિજન ડાઇફ્લોરાઇડ, ઓક્સિજન મોનોફ્લોરાઇડ. Only OF2 is the thermally stable at 298 Kelvin temperature. આ બે ઓક્સાઇડ છે, OF2 and O2F2. Out of these two, at room temperature, only OF2 is stable. These oxides are essentially oxygen fluoride because of the higher electronegativity of fluorine than oxygen. Both the strong fluorinating agents, O2F2 and OF2, both strong fluorinating agent. એટલે કોઈ કમ્પાઉન્ડમાં ફ્લોરિન એડ કરવાનું હોય, તો as a fluorinating agent which is useful. O2F2 oxidizes plutonium to PuF6. Plutonium combines with O2F2, gives PuF6 and releases 3 mole of oxygen like this. And the reaction is used in removing plutonium as PuF6 from spent nuclear fuel. એટલે કોઈ ન્યુક્લિયર ફ્યુઅલ હોય એમાં પ્લુટોનિયમ હોય, માં O2F2 પાસ કરો તો બીજા એલિમેન્ટ સાથે રિએક્ટ નહીં થાય, પ્લુટોનિયમ સાથે PuF6 રિમૂવ થાય. Where chlorine, bromine and iodine form oxide in which the oxidation state of the halogen range +1 to +7. જ્યારે ક્લોરીન, બ્રોમિન, આયોડિન ઓક્સિજન સાથે કમ્બાઇન થઈ having +1 to +7 સુધીના ઓક્સિડેશન નંબર વાળા ઓક્સાઇડ આપે. A combination of kinetic and thermodynamic factor led to the generally decreasing order of stability of oxide by halogens. એટલે એની thermal stability એટલે કે આયોડિનના ઓક્સાઇડ more stable than chlorine and chlorine more stable than bromine. એ kinetic and thermodynamic factor ઉપરથી નક્કી થયેલું છે. We have to remember higher stability of oxide of iodine due to greater polarizability of bond between iodine and oxygen. Electronegativity of oxygen is less and of the oxygen high, of the iodine less. So highly stable oxide gives iodine. In case of chlorine, multiple bond forms between chlorine and oxygen take place due to ability of the orbitals. એના પછી બ્રોમિન આવવું જોઈએ, એની બદલે ક્લોરીન આવે. તો ક્લોરીનમાં મલ્ટિપલ બોન્ડ ફોર્મ કરવાની કેપેસિટી છે. સપોઝ ClO3 હોય, so like this multiple bond forms between chlorine and oxygen. So stability of chlorine oxide is more than bromine. Due to that, this leads to increase in stability. Bromine lacks both the કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ એટલે બ્રોમિનમાં બેયમાં એક તો બ્રોમિન છે ઓક્સિજન સાથે ડબલ બોન્ડ ફોર્મ નથી કરી શકતો, પછી બ્રોમિન અને ઓક્સિજન વચ્ચે પોલારિટી બહુ વધારે નથી. આ બે રીઝનથી બ્રોમિનના ઓક્સાઇડ લેસ સ્ટેબલ હોય છે. The higher bromine lacks both the characteristics. એટલે આયોડિન અને ઓક્સિજન વચ્ચે કેમ પોલારિટી આવે છે એટલે પોલારિટી નથી. પાછું ક્લોરીન ઓક્સિજન સાથે જેમ ડબલ બોન્ડનું બિહેવિયર હોય એવું બિહેવિયર પણ નથી. More so halogens tend to be more stable than the lower ones. So stability of oxide of bromine is less. The higher oxide of halogen tend to be more stable than lower ones. Higher oxide are more stable. I2O3, I2O5. So higher oxidation state having oxide are more stable than lower ones. Now understood? Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.